Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting this YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content. Try to like and refer this channel to your network so that YouTube push us to a very high level of audience. Okay, today's topic we're gonna talk about supremacy of paths / plan resistance and support zone in forex synthetic market. You see, a lot of people have been losing a lot of money in the forex industry simply because they have not come to understand the power of paths. A path, like path means what is happening now. I don't care about market structure. I don't care about what has happened in some other side of the market in the past or what may happen in the future, but I care about what is happening right now, because what is happening right now is going to determine, is much more powerful than the past or the future. The thing is, when you come to risk disclaimer, they will tell you that the past price movement cannot tell the future price movement. Like, past profit does not guarantee that you are going to make profit today or tomorrow. Okay, the past, like past success does not guarantee future success. So what it means is you have to look at the market squarely right now and tell yourself the truth. That's what this video is going to address. Okay, I don't want to do illustration because this will be more comprehensible if we go to chart direct. So we're going to chart direct to understand this, but it seems I need to talk about it a little bit so that my mind is actually desperate to show something before going to chart right here. You see, let's assume we have this path, like this is a price movement like this where the market go up, okay, and then like it is going like this. Some people will be like, if you reach this level maybe and it pull back, then it's going to continue going up. Why do they say that? Is because they bring assumption into the market. Like this place does not want you to bring assumption. Assumption kills you faster than you think. So this idea wants you to remove assumption. So some people will be like, oh, this market is making higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. And so if we come here and break and pull back, then it will continue making higher high. Now, that is the assumption. You are assuming it because of what you have seen in the past. You are also assuming it because of this plan, this channel, because it's positive sloping, it's pointing upwards. You are assuming it, okay? But the truth is, when the market go up, go down, go up, go down, and then go up and start coming down, and then you think it will go up again, it's not like that. What you need to do is to understand these parts, is to focus on these parts. Okay, so there are resistances because it's going down, right? There are resistances here, resistances here, resistances here. Just find any resistance and enter for sell. As simple as that. Then once it starts selling, try your SL. Once you are in a stable profit, control your SL, or make sure you put your stop loss so that you manage your risk. That's the main thing. And then, since you want to take a trade, take it in the direction of the current path. We take it based on the information provided on the current path, the resistance, the support, liquidity, and other stuff based on that current path. So you sell. So maybe you miss this resistance, then you cash this one, you sell. So long you believe it's going to move. Okay, don't be surprised that when the market reaches here, you will think it will reverse. Don't be surprised that it will not reverse, it will continue going down. The reason is because the current part controls the market. I'm going to show you. So let's go to chart and see this thing for you. Okay, right now this is a weighted market. Remember, I actually promote the give, but I feel like when there is competition, there is more clarity and there is more transparency in the industry. So I'm introducing you again to WINFXTRADE broker. Even though you are using the reef, of which I promote the reef, I also want you to use this broker. There are assets that are very powerful. Assets like SFS. Look at this asset. Asset like you see this asset? Asset like SFS 𝑽𝑶𝑳𝑗 and SFS 𝑽𝑒𝑚𝒂. They are very, very lucrative. Okay. Could you imagine that this market have already changed by 20,000 pips just in 2 hours time? It have fallen by 20,000 pips. It was around 420,000 plus before. Right now, it has fallen. Okay, it has fallen. So think about this. For real, like this market is very lucrative. All of them are lucrative. Like they are more, like what I mean, they are more lucrative than most assets in the reef market. And like this broker is fast payer. Like they don't delay. Under a minute they pay you. Under a minute they accept your deposit. Under a minute they pay you. Like they have multiple payment systems. And once you know what you are doing, you are going to go far with them. So we are here for you. Actually, if you register with the link in the description of this video, make sure when you register with the link in the description of this video, make sure you fund at least $1,000 in your account. We are not here to play. If you fund $1,000 in your account, from $1,000 and beyond, it should not be less than. Then you have to contact me on Telegram so that I give you a strategy free of charge, a strategy that will work for you. Because I don't want you to fund your account and lose. No, because when you make money, we also get some commission. That's why I'll be happy to give you that free strategy as long as you fund at least $1,000 in your trading account, so that you make steady profit, so that I personally become a broker. Yes, I'm a broker because you use my link under a major broker. Then I'm a sub broker because you are under my link. And then because you're under my link, I want you to win because I want to win. And how do we do this? You fund $1,000. I give you a working strategy, and you make sure you stick to it. Maybe a couple like short videos, maybe 1 or 2 videos, but it's gonna be concise, it's gonna be easy to understand. And then once you are following it, you are going to succeed. You're not going to blow your account. Rather, you grow from time to time. You grow. Even when you have some losses, you grow. You grow. Imagine your profit curve looks like this. It means you are progressing. Yes, you will have some drawdown, but at the end, after as time goes on, you grow. You keep growing. So that's how your profit curve will look like, and that's what we are going to help you to achieve when you join this program and you fund $1,000. You DM us. We ask you for proof that you have funded it. Then we help you with the idea, the strategy. Okay. Normally this strategy is $750. Okay, but it's because you are actually using our link and you have funded the account. Then we just help you. So some people just use the link to register. They didn't come to ask for strategy. They started trading. Maybe in the first month they make massive profit. Then from time onwards, like as time goes on, they lose all their money, lose their capital, lose their profit. That is not how it's supposed to be. That is not how it's supposed to be. Okay, that is not how it's supposed to be. Then they quit. That is not how it's supposed to be. You all have to be consistent in making profit. Okay, because it's a win-win situation. I've talked too much about this, so let's continue. Now look at this. Look at this. This is 𝒓𝒊𝒔𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒍 index. Okay, you see that this market was going up like this in the 4-hour time frame. It was going up. Okay, and then if you go back to daily time frame, you also notice that there is other block here. So by like from experience, the market is supposed to reverse here. There is also a high price here, so the market have to react here, right? Now if you go to 1-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, we actually see that reaction. There is a reaction within this session and the market went up. Okay, it went up, right? Now when it went up, as it went up, we will have it move from here to here. So this is a buy part. This is a buy part, right? Now let's go down to 15 minutes time frame. When this market is buying, you notice that it's as simple as anything you can imagine. You notice that the market, make sure you use a time frame that will have minimum, that will have less swinging, so that you understand what's happening. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. So in 30 minutes time frame, you see, you can locate the major support. So this is a support here. So because this market is buying, then on this support you have to buy. As simple as that. Until the market creates a new path, you just buy. Even though I don't care about what happened here, the more you bear many things in mind, the more you lose. So I don't really need to care about what happened here. That, oh, it sold well, so when you pull back here, it's going to sell. No, I just manage the risk. Maybe if I'm afraid of here, because it's sold, and then I am buying here, I'm doing the right thing because he's buying. Yes, there is a base here, like there is a strong resistance here. Okay, then when market reached there, it respected that resistance and pulled back, but there is also a support here. So I will look at preference. I will look at what is preferential. What is preferential is what is happening now. That's what this topic is trying to tell you. What is supreme? The supremacy is what is happening now. So I'm gonna buy than to sell. I will not sell here. No, because it's buying in this. From this time, market happened with time. From here, this time till this time. That was August 10, midnight, till August 10, 11 p.m. The market is buying. So me trying to say because of this resistance is an assumption and it is assumed reversal. You assume, you are trying to say, oh, because there is a resistance, therefore it must sell, and then you just place a sell. It definitely is sold by reacting, but that sell come with war because it's sold quickly in 30 minutes and then go up again. So how will you feel when your profit is changing from loss to make profit and from profit to loss, and then finally your stop loss is hit somewhere here? So the idea is understand the path, understand what is surrounding the path, and be able to do the needful. So if I am looking for sell, I wait for market to leave this buy period. I'll wait for market to leave this session, which is buy period. When the market leaves this session, then there will be I will look for change. I will be sure that this market has changed trend. Yes. When I'm sure that the market has changed trend, at least I know that I know that this area is resistance in the past. So if the trend change, is correct because at least it have to reverse. So this is a fake breakout here, and then the market reverse. Okay, if the market reverse like this, I'm looking for resistances to sell. So it's very simple. I'll create a new profile. Okay, when I create a new profile, what do? I will choose a time frame that will show me the right swinging, like the more concise and the accurate swinging. So I choose 30 minutes because I think I can see the swingings. Okay, now because I see the swinging, there is a break of structure here. Yeah, it break it, so we can extend it. Just put it there. There is a break of structure here. There is another break. The more you have many this thing, the more you have many events, many signs, the more you are going to get the best trade. So there is a break of structure there. There is pullback. So this level here becomes a resistance. This is a resistance level. Here is a. This is a. Just know that inside here is a resistance. Okay, so I'll wait for market to pull back towards here, even though it didn't touch it. As it pull back, I'll put my SL. I'll put my SL here, somewhere here, because I know this is the reason. So it should be above, maybe somewhere here, and then I will sell. Okay, as I sell, I'll be waiting. Let's assume I created a separate account for this because we are talking about how to, how to actually maximize profit here. You have to maximize profit. Some people are losing more, but they are not thinking about maximizing profit. So how will you succeed? So you have to maximize profit. So here, I will, maybe I funded about $10, and then when the market flow from there, reach here, then I will monitor. I will be looking for obvious resistances. You see, resistances are powerful than any other thing. Resistance and support are powerful than any other thing you are thinking about. Maybe you are thinking, oh, he's going to pull back to come and test here. Maybe going to pull back and come back here, but that's not how the market works. Market work on based on the resistances and supports, based on key level that you just want to go to. You see that this is a fair value gap. That's the condition. So you have to know the pattern. You have to know the channel. This channel here is tiny. It's narrow channel. I don't want to draw it, but it's a narrow channel. So the pullback are not going to be big. It's going to be narrow, small correction. It's not going to be deep. It's gonna be flat. So this is the other block here. So market pull there, come back, pull, but you couldn't reach there again. Come back, pull. You're supposed to know that this pattern is telling you to enter. These are resistances. Just enter. Then you put more position. You put more position, and then the market keeps selling. And then when it moves, you try your SL where it will not be, where you are not going to be taken out. So the market also pull back, and then it couldn't take out this high. You sell again. You see, when you join the VIP, we tell you how to re-enter a trade, how to trade your SL, so that at the end, your account is well managed. You know how much you are putting in the market and how much you're expecting, and you know how to protect your profit, how to protect your overall equity. We provide that in the VIP. Very soon, the VIP signal prices will increase a bit because of the load, because of the things we provide for you that you cannot get in other channels. Like we provide more values than ever, and so the price might go. But right now, it's still cheap. You can take advantage. I'm going to be ending this video. Thank you and bye for now.